Dr. DePaula, how many patients have you treated in your career?
You know, in my career, and it's been focused almost all on depression and bipolar disorder, I stopped counting at 18,000. Okay, so it's a lot, and I probably couldn't have done that anywhere else but here at Johns Hopkins.
So, what kinds of people get depression? A lot of people kind of say, this doesn't happen in our family.
People often ask me, well, what types of people get depression? And the answer is all types of people get depression. Okay, there are actually even some theories that there may be certain depression-prone personalities. If that's there, must be very subtle, because I don't see it. Okay, it is said that patients who are introverted and who tend to quickly get negative emotions, and the word for that used to be neurotic. Okay, that they are more likely to get depressed. Well, the problem I have with that is whether that's the chicken or the egg. Are they already somewhat depressed, and it gets worse? But I have many very extroverted people who get depressed, and people who are by nature very cheerful. In fact, one young woman who was 14 years old, when she finally persuaded her mother that she should get evaluated for depression, the second time she came to her mother to tell her, her mother said, "You can't be depressed. Your nickname is Sunshine." Okay, and that was true. So I think all kinds of people get depressed by temperament, by socioeconomics. And if you look in the world as to who gets depression, what you'll see is, more than anything else, that it clusters in families. Okay, if you look within the individual and see when the depression episodes occur, and they do tend to come in episodes, you'll see they correlate best with environmental stressors. So I like to think of it sometimes like asthma, okay, where there is a lot of genetics, but most people with asthma are breathing normally almost all the time. But they can tell you that at least 90% of their episodes of asthma, they can tell you what set it off. Okay? So what kind of people? Humans.